Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to change the main interior bulb in the car here. It's a festoon type bulb, which is basically one of these, and you've basically got three bulbs here. You got the privacy on the left and the privacy light on the right, and then the main one in the middle, off, always on, and then on when the doors are open. But the always on, as you can see, it's not very bright at all there, so I don't know what's happened with it. But basically what you've got to do is just grab it on the back here, and then that just kind of prizes off. Just be really gentle with it. Obviously it's quite delicate. Just keep kind of wiggle it a little bit, and that comes off like that. And that's what we've got inside there. Right. And that's actually a little bit different to the one that I've got, I think. Yeah, that's weird, isn't it? I should have looked at this before I bought the bulb, because the one that I've got is just one of these. One of these 269s. So I don't know if I can. That's weird. And then that just kind of comes out like that, I think. Let's have a look. Okay, so this is what's come out of it. That's on the back. I think it's like a LED. That obviously gets quite hot because that's like a heat sink, I think it is, on the back. But these are now not glowing very bright, so that's what I need to. I think this is like an upgrade, because in the book, the one to change it with is that's the standard one. So looks like this is the one that I need to actually get. What I'll end up doing is I'll just put this back for now, and then as soon as I've got it, I'll change it over. Literally all I did was just to push this back in there. Like the left hand side's a little bit more springy than the right hand side. Yeah, there we go. And then see, they're not glowing at all bright, are they? Not compared to that one and this one. So it looks like I need one of them. Yesterday I had purchased the I think it was a 269 bulb, which is the original normal bulb. This is sort of the update, and I've literally put that one in. Just got back from Halfords now and put that one in. As you can see there, it's perfect. So all I need to do now is put the plastic cover back on. Yeah, basically is a plastic cover. Goes that way. Sort of the easiest fix ever, really. Missing a little bit of. That's why you got to be so careful with these. Missing a little bit of the fit in there, but yeah, that just goes on there. And very, very gently, just try and push it in. Make sure you sort of try and have it level as well. That will help. Let's have a look. There we are. Yeah. Nice and gently, and boom. Yeah, we're good there. I think we are. Yeah. So basically we've got our light again. Be much better when it's dark. So yeah, that's a little easy fix for that one. I'd just like to take an opportunity to thank you for I know there's some new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. It's greatly appreciated. Oh, and Happy New Year to everybody as well. We've had a few ups and downs, and with some family member that not too well, but we're just getting on with it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to making some more videos soon. Hope that everyone keeps safe, take care of yourself and your loved ones, and I'll catch you soon on the next one.